Hello and welcome to E-Prep and Village Prep Clips between Superior and St. Clair in Cleveland's Asiatown neighborhood. My name is Trey and I'm so excited to take you on a tour of my school today. I'm an 8th grade student here and I love coming to school every day to learn and have fun with my friends. Our school has so many cool things to see and do and I can't wait to show them all to you. From our colorful college-themed classrooms to our hands-on learning lab, there's something here for everyone. So let's get started and see what makes our school such a special place. This is the wall of scholars. It shows all the amazing students from the fresh graduation class who have done great things. Usually, everyone here is in uniform, but this week, Spirit Week, so you'll see students dressed up showing pride in our schools. This is the cafeteria where we enjoy free breakfast and lunch daily. It's a big space with many tables and chairs, and we get to sit with our friends and enjoy a brain break. Next, we have 2 principals here in our building. This is the office of our kindergarten through 4th grade principal. Here, we have the ESE office. It stands for Exceptional Student Education. This is where students who need a little extra help can go and get it. Our ESE teachers offer support for students with IEPs, counseling, English as a new language support, speech therapy, and more. The teachers here are good at working with us and ensuring we understand everything. It's a fun and a supportive environment where everyone can feel welcome and comfortable. And now, we're off to the kindergarten and 1st grade classrooms. They're bright and colorful, and you'll see all the amazing schoolwork on display. Here at E-Prep and Village Prep Clips, in every breakthrough school, you'll find 2 teachers in every kindergarten through 2nd grade classroom, providing professionalized learning experiences for each scholar based on their own skills, strengths, and needs. Kindergartners here learn the foundation for important skills like reading and math that they will carry with them throughout their entire lives. This is the multi-purpose room where we have art. This is a really fun place where kindergarten through 4th grade scholars get to be creative and make all sorts of art projects. The art room is a special space kids get to be creative and express themselves. They have everything needed to make beautiful projects. This is the gym. We get to run around, play games, and exercise. The gym is a great place to be. We get to move our bodies, have fun with friends, and stay healthy. We also use the gym for basketball, cheerleading, and other fun after-school activities. This is our newly built playground. This is where the middle schoolers come to learn and prepare for high school and beyond. You can see all sorts of posters on the wall that help keep us inspired and motivated. Throughout the day, we learn a variety of subjects like English, math, science, and more. And just like in high school, each subject is taught in a different classroom. We have 2-to-1 technology here, which means all students have 1 Chromebook at school and 1 Chromebook at home, where we can continue learning after school. And here, we have something really unique, our learning lab. This is the first 5G lab in the nation, and we are very grateful. This space was designed for students to get hands-on learning experiences with technologies like augmented and virtual reality, 3D printing, and artificial intelligence. It's changing the way teachers teach and students learn, and we are very grateful to have it here at EPC. Teachers here go above and beyond to support their students. They're always here to help us and make sure we understand the materials. Middle schoolers here get real-world experiences. We have partnerships with organizations like Cleveland Clinic, Open Door Academy, and more. We partner with Open Doors Academy to provide after-school program. Well, it's been great showing you around our school today. I hope you had fun and learned a lot about the different places we visit. I'm really proud of our school and all the things we have to offer. Our school is a joyful place to learn, grow, and make new friends. We have amazing teachers and staff here to help us thrive. And we have lots of great programs and activities to get involved in. To learn even more, visit breakthroughschools.org or call our Office of Student Enrollment at 216-367-5720. Thanks for coming on this tour with me. We hope to welcome you soon.